I'm taking my freedom, pulling it off the shelf, putting it on my chain, wearing it around my neck.
Welcome back to another video. Check out these cool Halloween themed nail stands from Glamorous Nail Essentials, and on the back of each stand you can use it as a sculpting palette, or you can mix colors or anything like that on it, and you just wipe it clean with isopropyl alcohol. I love these stands so much. Definitely check out her website, not sponsored. Today I'm doing these nails right here, or I'm going to attempt to do these Halloween themed nails right here. I really wanted to just do a ghost design for my first Halloween set, so I already buffed the nails, and then I'm going to wipe them down with some alcohol just to make sure all of the dust and everything is clear from the nail tip so it doesn't get painted in there. After that, I'm going to go in with a thin layer of base coat and cure that for 60 to 90 seconds. Next, I'm going to take this Double Rhythm black and white gel polish, and I'm going to use these two as my base color for the nails. So 3 nails will be black and 2 nails will be white as the base color. This Double Rhythm black, it's not my favorite. It's not a one coat black, which I guess is fine because it does, some situations do call for a black that's not super duper opaque. But if you're looking for something that's one coat black, this one is not. You will need 2 coats to get it as an opaque black color. I do still think it's a good polish. I think Double Rhythm makes great polishes. I don't really have many. I have less than 6 Double Rhythm polishes, so I don't have a wide range of their polishes, but I do want to try their cat eye gels. I've watched a lot of videos of some girlies swatching them and they look really nice. To make the ghost nails on the nails with the black base, you have to move very quickly. So you want to take some blooming gel and paint that on. You don't cure. You go in with your white polish on a palette, take your dotting tool and do dots and just swipe down for each dot to make that ghost figure. But remember, this is blooming gel, so it will start to spread out and bloom, so you have to move very quickly. After you're done, immediately put it in the lamp, give it a full cure, and then go ahead and paint your ghost face on, and now you have some like flying ghosts. But remember, you have to move very quickly, depending on your blooming gel, I guess, because some blooming gels bloom a little faster than others. This one, it moved pretty quickly, so I had to go really fast. I actually had to do it twice because the first time I completely messed up, but the second time it came out how I wanted it to. Let me know if you've seen this design before or if you've ever tried it out. I saw it first on TikTok and I thought that I would give it a try. I only show one nail because I did this exact same design on the other 2 nails with the black base, so I didn't feel the need to show it again. But if you do want to see the technique again, you can just rewind the video. But yeah, it's the same. I did the exact same thing on the other two nails with the black base. It's definitely a trial and error technique. So for this next nail, I'm going to do this 3D ghost. So what you need to do is you paint your white on, and then I'm going to go in with the Jim B Crazy Top Coat. You can also use rhinestone glue. I would suggest the McCart rhinestone glue, which is what I should have used for this, just to save my Jim B top coat because it ain't cheap, right? So I should have used the McCart rhinestone glue, but that's okay. But you're gonna go in, and I did 3 lines. So I did one in the center, and you want to make them really thick. I did one in the center and then one on either side. I've also seen people do just 2 on the sides and not one in the middle. This design looks best with a rounded tip or an almond shape or even a stiletto tip. It doesn't work as well with a square or a coffin or ballerina shape tip. But if that's all you have, then go ahead and do it. I bet it'll look great. So I did these 3D lines, and like I said, I did one in the middle and then one on each side, and you want to put the big glob at the bottom and just drag it up. I actually went in off camera and I made the line a little thicker, and I did a flash cure in between each line, but this is not a full cure. So after you're done doing all your lines, then go ahead and stick the whole nail in the lamp and give it a full 60 to 90 second cure. If you're going to use something in a pot like this, just make sure you put the lid on it before you flash cure, because you don't want to cure your product that's in the pot, because that would be a bad time. And this is how it will look, very, very ghostly. So after doing a little bit thicker layers, this is how each of the nails looked. Yes, the product, it did turn a little bit yellow when I cured it, but I think that's because it's super thick. I don't know. But anyway, I just go over top of that with the white color. Now I have seen people go in and they don't paint the base white. They just go straight in with the 3D lines and then go on the white over top of it. I went with this way. Either way works. You'll still get the same results. You just took a different way there. So just paint the entire nail white and give it a full cure. So next I'm gonna go in with the prettiest silvery glittery milky white ever from Born Pretty. It's very, very subtle. This is a milky white with a little bit of glitter in it. I love this color so much. I actually really love Born Pretty's, just their plain milky white. I think it is the best milky white polish that I've ever tried. Every other one I've tried, when you cure it and take it out the lamp, it's like a yellow, like it looks more like eggshell or something. But the Born Pretty milky white is perfect. I had to give my ghost a little bit of glam, so I went over top of the white with this glitter color just to make it shine in the light. I gave that a full cure, and then I top coated the nails with glossy top coat. If you want to use matte, you can. I chose to use glossy. And then I actually forgot to paint the ghost face on this nail before I top coated it. So then I just did the little ghost face and I put a little top coat just over the top half of the nail to make sure that face was all secure. And then after that, the set is completely done. Unless you want to do rhinestones or something, but that's up to you. And this is the completed nail set. I really hope you all like this set. Let me know if you've ever tried this technique or design before. It's probably going to be trending a lot come the Halloween season as we get closer and closer. I think it's so cute. I think the little white nails are so cute, the ghosts. I've seen someone do it with the bleeding eyes. They put red polish on the eyes of the ghost and then took the top coat and like swiped it down before it was cured, so it was like the white was smudged and it looked like the ghost had bleeding eyes. Now that is cool. I might try that. Feedback is of course always welcome here on this channel. I take all constructive criticism. Thank you so much for those that do give it. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit the post notification bell if you want to be notified whenever I upload a video. Make sure if you like the video that you're liking, because I see y'all watching but y'all not like it. So make sure you like the video, unless you don't like it, and then I guess okay. Again, thank you so much for watching. Follow me on Pinterest. I would say follow me on TikTok, but I don't know how long I'm gonna be on TikTok with the whole they got it sold and all of that stuff. If you're on TikTok, then you know the mess with that. So I don't know how much longer I'm gonna be on TikTok. But follow me on Pinterest. You can always send me pins of nail designs that you'd like me to try. That's pretty cool. And I'll see you, or you'll see me in the next video. Bye guys.
Pulling it off the shelf, putting it on my chain. When it round my neck, I'm taking my freedom, putting it in my car.